Welcome to the module number 1. In this module, we will deep dive into the basics of Deepseek and give a brief introduction about it. So what is Deepseek? Deepseek is a cutting-edge AI model designed to handle a wide range of text-based tasks. While it may seem similar to ChatGPT, Deepseek takes things a step further with advanced capabilities in multimodal learning, which allows it to process and understand data across different formats. From providing accurate responses to generating creative and structured solutions, Deepseek is here to help you solve problems and unlock new possibilities with ease. Whether you're looking for quick answers, in-depth analysis, or innovative ideas, Deepseek is the powerful tool you need to take your work to the next level. Why learn Deepseek? Learning Deepseek can drastically boost your productivity by automating routine tasks and content creation. Whether you're working on business strategies or need help with research, Deepseek can provide valuable insights and innovative solutions to move you forward. It's also a game changer for learning and coding, helping you solve complex problems quickly and efficiently. Mastering Deepseek means unlocking more time for creativity and growth, all while making smarter, data-driven decisions. Deepseek stands out with its ability to provide more structured responses, making information easier to digest and use. It handles prompts with greater precision, ensuring your queries are understood and addressed accurately. When it comes to logical reasoning, Deepseek offers enhanced accuracy, delivering solutions that are both reliable and effective. And the best part? Deepseek supports multiple industries, including education, marketing, and business, making it a versatile tool for various fields. Deepseek can help you generate creative content, whether it's writing, brainstorming, or coming up with fresh ideas. It's also great at solving complex problems, providing clear, actionable solutions when you need them most. When it comes to analyzing data and trends, Deepseek offers deep insights, helping you make informed decisions quickly. And if you're looking to automate tasks and workflows, Deepseek streamlines processes, saving you time and effort to focus on what matters most. Deepseek brings efficiency by streamlining workflows, allowing you to work smarter, not harder. As a cutting-edge AI, it drives innovation, unlocking new possibilities across various industries. With its accuracy, Deepseek delivers reliable results that improve both efficiency and problem solving. Whether in business, education, or any other field, Deepseek helps you make the right decisions and move forward with confidence.